Hello, everyone. This is a centrally located four-bedroom family home in Kingston, offering both comfort and income potential. This peaceful property is perfect for creating lasting memories while enjoying proximity to essential amenities. The main section features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a spacious living/dining area, and a fully equipped kitchen, while the self-contained section includes 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a separate living/dining area with a kitchen, ideal for rental income or extended family use. With a little TLC, this home could become your dream space and a valuable investment. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $47,500,000. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.